Charles, this is the one on Raintree. I'm going to make a turn around. You can see you're near the foothills. This is in Sandia Heights. Cute little street. Newer homes. The Sandia Mountains are close by. Has good curb appeal. I'm going to show you the rest of the home and see what you think. The view is really from these big windows in the living room, which I'll show you, or from this courtyard. As you can see, I'm in this courtyard going into the front. It's a very light, bright, few vigas, nicho, the fireplace. This is your living area. From here, you see a neighbor's trailer, but you do see some foothills. Looks like the trailer is temporary in the street. The kitchen, again, some vigas. A bar, I guess, a counter bar. Appliances are older and white. You might want to do some updating of the countertops. This is the dining area. You would have city lights from the outside of this home. This is looking out over the city, the rest of the backyard. You do see roof tops. There's the patio. I'm going to walk to the east side. There is one bedroom, a bathroom, and then the master bedroom. So here's a small bedroom. The main bath that has tile counters, tile over the tub, and a toilet, of course. And then the master, which is a nice big bedroom. The rounded wall of windows, which as I walk close to the windows, you'll see it has a mountain view. Lots of landscaping. A big boulder in the front yard, but not real close to the house. The master bath, again, original. I think this one, I'll have to check when it was built, 90s or early 2000s. So there's the tile, the double vanity. Looks like maybe it was for elderly with the bars. The two-headed shower. And then it does have a nice master closet. Sorry, it's dark. There. Quite large. Or good size, shall I say. I'm gonna walk back out of the master. You would go back past that bedroom, past the living room and kitchen, down another hall where there are additional bedrooms, the door out. This is a 3/4 bath, shower only. You have laundry. The garage is a 2-car garage. And then you have another back bedroom, very secluded from the other bedrooms, with a door to the backyard. I'm stepping out, show you the little covered patio. The backyard size is nice. It is fully landscaped. You would have city views looking out onto the horizon. Very well kept. Little water feature in the middle of the backyard. That's it for this one. Bye.